Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm here with a tip or a quick fix for the iPhone call issues after the iOS 18 update. So let's get started. First of all, the step is pull up the control center and turn on airplane mode on for 10 to 15 seconds. Then turn it off. This refreshes your network. Then the second step is force restart. Press the volume down button and up button and press and hold it until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Once the logo appears, slide down to restart your phone. This won't delete your any data, just reloads the software. Then the next step is go to the general of your phone like this, then go to the general option. From there, then click the about option at the top. If there's a carrier update, a pop-up will appear, then you can simply tap update. Then the next option is again go to the settings, then go to the general option, then scroll down and you can see there are transfer or reset iPhone option. Tap on it, tap the reset option. From there and here click the reset network settings. This doesn't delete data but resets network settings like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then the another step is go to the settings in your phone, then search the phone option, then go to the blocked contacts option. You can simply go to the blocked contacts from the phone option. From there scroll down and here's the block contacts option. Tap on it, make sure the number isn't blocked. Then the next step is turn off silence unknown callers in settings. Go to the settings in your phone, then search the phone option. Tap on it, then you should find the silence unknown callers is turned off. This could be blocking calls from unrecognized number. The next step is make sure focus or do not disturb is off. You can see from there everything must be off. Sometimes this can block incoming calls. Then the next step is go to the settings in your phone, then the general option, then the software update option. Sometimes a new update can fix issue caused by the previous one. Then the next step is if the issue persists, contact your carrier to make sure everything is in order on their end. Then if you are using a physical SIM, remove it, then put it back. If you have an eSIM, skip this step. Hope this helps. If you found another solution, share it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.